Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your UTM HR's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your UTM HR's account, firstly go ahead and open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in my.utm.my and make a search. You will end up on the login page of UTM HR's account. To log into your UTM HR's account, enter your UTM ID and password associated with your UTM HR's account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on the link that says Forgot Your Password option. This is how you can log into your UTM HR's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.